You are going to love the 2019 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third-row seat, backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.